Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Please make sure to like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. As we can see, we are taking a look at Vechain here on the daily time frame. And as we can see, looking like we have broken out of that resistance that we've been stuck under for the past week or so here. Looking like in this local area, as you can see quite clearly, consolidating under that resistance, trying to break through, getting a bit of momentum, really just, grinding to the side under that resistance. And then obviously you can see here, we did see some altcoins starting to move to the upside, some of these larger cap altcoins, or the ones you consider to be larger altcoins in my opinion, Vechain being one of them. And you can see here very clearly, you got that 1, 2, 3 move to the upside after sweeping and touching that low yet again down here at around that 1.5-ish cent level. A very key support for Vechain over the past few months. You can see obviously we've come up here, broken out of this resistance that we've been stuck under for such a long time, since the start of the year, really around February time. We've obviously come to the upside here, consolidated with this very obvious descending wedge, and then the technical target continuation up to resistance, grinding under resistance here, and then getting the overextension here and the break to the upside, which is quite interesting to see, up to around almost 2.1 cents here. You can see this is actually a key level as well. That has been a previous level of resistance that Vechain has been stuck under, so very interesting to see what happens next. But really putting in a little bit of a range in this local area, I would say, looking something like this, a pretty obvious and clear range at this point. You can see the high, the low, you come up and retest the high again, you retest the low at the low, and now we are retesting the high again here. You'd probably expect with the overextension of the RSI, etc., that we'd probably see a little bit of a retracement from here for Vechain. But with altcoins looking very pumpy right now and a little bit parabolic in some instances, you could see a bit more upside for a Vechain here, I would say. But realistically, this is a place where we have been rejected a few times before, as you can see quite clearly now that I've drawn this range in. And even though we are bottoming out, in my opinion, for the most part, it's still a long way to go for Vechain in this massive area of consolidation and grinding to the downside we've seen for the bear market. We need to get back up towards this 4 cent level here to retest the overall bear market resistance. Vechain, one of the only cryptos that I've seen recently that hasn't broken out of its bear market resistance. I actually can't think of any other cryptos that I've looked at the charts for recently that hasn't broken out or at least retested its bear market resistance yet. This obviously being the overall bear market resistance for Vechain, still not tested at around 4 cents here. So clearly Vechain with some work to do, but I do still think long term it's probably going to come good. And right now we are starting to see some signs of life for Vechain. As you can see, we've come up here around, 50% off this low, just like a lot of cryptos have. 43% from the low here right now in the space of around 2 months for Vechain, which is a really nice little gain actually. Would have been a really good trade if you just simply bought support here and held till now. You would have made a very nice little trade there. But obviously overall I do think that Vechain's going to come good in the long term. Right now just showing signs of real bottoming out bear market consolidation, and we do need to see it come up and break out this bear market resistance here and see a bit more of signs of life before we do confirm the bull market for Vechain. But overall market's looking very bullish right now, and it's going to be very interesting to see what happens next. So as always, thank you very much for watching guys. Really appreciate you coming around every day to check out videos. I'll be releasing videos pretty much every day from now on, so please do make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, get involved in the content. Love you all very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.